protecting people and buildings from fire and smoke.
You don't do that alone, you do that together. In the Netherlands, we work hard every day on our mission to better protect people and buildings from fire and smoke. And while you might not notice us right away, we can be found everywhere. For decades, we have been protecting museums, airports, hospitals, educational institutions, and distribution centers, among others. We provide expert advice. We develop, manufacture, and install fire and smoke curtains and doors. And we also offer comprehensive service, including annual maintenance and repairs, everything to give businesses and organizations peace of mind. Day in, day out. Are you already prepared for the safety requirements of the future? Feel free to schedule an appointment with one of our colleagues, with no obligation. Together we stand strong for safety. That is Hoefnagels.